In this video we will talk about get rid of horrible fecal wastes using this colon cleanse recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Get rid of horrible fecal wastes using this colon cleanse recipe. Let's just accept the ugly truth. Most of our diet is composed of very unhealthy food such as chips, fries, burgers, soda, and alcoholic beverages. In this society of fast food chains, our colons are gradually being destroyed. An average person should have at least 5 servings of grains, fruits and vegetables every day. However, most people just take one or none at all. Instead they are going loco, eating foods that are fatty and rich in carbohydrates, which can create a layer of fecal wastes inside our bodies. As a result, the pathway for a smooth digestion is blocked, since the colon is lined with as much as 20 pounds of fecal particles that can poison the body and can lead to constipation, indigestion, bloating, flatulence and even cancer of the colon. There are many methods of taking out these fecal waste build-up in our colon. One of the easiest procedures is the combination of fiber-rich food into your daily diet. The best sources of fibers are grains, fruits and vegetables. However, you can also take fiber supplements that are available in the market today. Colon cleansing kits that are being marketed in the internet is not recommended by most dietitians and nutritionists. They are effective, but they are expensive. The main ingredients of these cleansing products are licorice root, dandelion root or psyllium husk. These organic materials are very high in fiber. You don't need to pay at least $100 just to get a high intake of fiber. You can buy these ingredients in any health stores. Another high-source fiber food is flax seeds. You can purchase it by kilo and grind them up in a grinder and mix it to your daily oatmeal. Flax seeds are also a good source of omega-9 and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for the health because it increases vigor of the heart and the skin. Epsom salts are also high in fiber. If you are going to buy Epsom salts for a colon cleanse, consult your doctor first. Be sure that you don't have allergies or any health risks when you ingest Epsom salts, since most of this kind are used externally. All you need to do is mix a small amount of Epsom salts to 20 ounces of water and ingest it. If you are having a busy day, it is not recommended, since vigorous activities will make it work fast, and you will be heading to the bathroom every 5 minutes. For a rigorous colon cleansing, one of the best methods is a master cleanse diet. There are many variations of a master cleanse diet, such as the 10-day colon cleanse or the 7-day colon cleanse program. If you can make it through 7 or 10 days using a master cleanse diet, you will not only clean your intestinal lining, but also other parts of your body, since the digestive system affects all the other parts of our body. It is common for individuals who undergo in a master cleanse to see more than 15 pounds of fecal waste to come out of their body. And as most people who use this diet will tell you, this is perfectly normal and should not be a subject for a panic. The fecal waste is normally a heavy black sludge or rubbery mucus. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.